Hi friend, today our topic is how to calculate time in hours in Microsoft Excel. We will use a very simple formula to calculate time. Here we are writing the start time, and in column B we will write ending time. From, to, and total hours. Friends, we will use a simple formula of if bracket start ending time is greater than start time. Then if value is true, we will use the formula ending time minus start time. In other case, if the value is false, we will add 1. 1 means 24 hours plus ending time minus start time. Now we will change the format of this cell by click format cell or control 1 or click on this side. Now we will go to number tab and select the time. Here we will choose second one option to calculate the time exactly. Now you can see that 16 hours we will get the total time. We will use column to demonstrate the time exactly. So now you can see as we change the time, the hours automatically calculated by subtracting the ending time. So by this way you can calculate time period in hours by using if formula in Excel. Kindly like video and subscribe the channel if you like this video.